Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here another comparison review for the Colmi P81, and we'll compare it with a popular Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, a premium looking smartwatch with a AMOLED screen display. So we'll compare the design as well as the menus and features of our P81 here compared with the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, which is better in terms of design, screen display, as well as the menus and features. So we will check that out in this video. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review of the P81 versus the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start and compare our P81 with the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. In terms of design, obviously the GTS 3 Pro do have a much premium feature. Both do have a PC material, but seems like we do have here, I'm not sure, but seems like we have a metal bezel here, glossy finish. While for the P81, we have a unibody design, PC material, flat finish. Very simple, minimalist design for our P81, while for the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, we do have a much elegant look. Okay. The screen display also goes to the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, as we do have here an ultra high definition AMOLED screen display. Very good screen display so far compared to other models, as you can see here. Okay, there's a very big difference when it comes to the screen display. But anyway, still the P81 do have a very good screen display. But I like the AMOLED color or the AMOLED screen of the GTS 3 Pro. The brightness is much better as well as the color. Okay, side by side, let's check. They almost have the same thickness here, but smaller crown button for our GTS 3 Pro. At the back, both are using a pogo pin, okay, power connector or charging cable. Okay, they almost have the same style here, having a speaker holes. Both do have a quick release pin for the strap, but the GTS 3 Pro do have a much elegant sporty strap. For the P81, we have the usual, okay, flexible silicone strap, nothing new. For the UI, so let's check on the UI or the screen, the menus of the P81 versus the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. Okay, on top we have the quick shortcut to the different functions here or settings of your wearable. I like the layout of our GTS or our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. Okay, it's unique. You have here an access right away to the screen display, screen brightness. While for the P81, you still have to access it here. But anyway, it's still okay. Going back. For the left side, you have the split screen. You have the menus for our P81. On the right side, you have the different cards here. Okay, so almost the same features here. You have the sleep. As you can see, we also have the sleep. I like the layout here of the P81 compared to our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. You have the music control with a adjustment for the volume. We don't have it here, I think, with a P81. You have the sports, and you can also add your own. Okay, they all have functionality to edit the cards or the module here. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications, so the same feature here. Okay, so we're done with the preliminary UI of the P81 and the GTS 3 Pro. So let's access the main menu. So press for the power button here, while for the P81 very easy, just swipe from left to right. Okay, so we have the data for automatic activity tracking, monitoring the steps, calories, and distance. Okay, both do have a graph, I think, yes. But I like the layout here of the GTS 3 Pro, easy to understand. Going back, we have the workout, heart rate. We also have the heart rate here. Let's see. Okay, they almost have the same look here, but looks much better for the P81. Sleep monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen monitoring, exercise record. As you can see here, although it has different arrangement, but still they almost have the same features here. We have breath training, relaxation, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock. As you can see here, we also have stopwatch and timer. We have business card, but we don't have a world clock here on our GTS 3 Pro. Stopwatch, cycle tracking, flashlight. Seems like the Colmi P81 do have additional features here. Going back to the settings, menu style, display screen, we have battery, language support, we have it here. We don't have it here in our P81. You can set the time. We have the system here. So there's more options on the settings with the GTS. We also have a password here, and we don't have it here on our P81, I think. Okay, going back to the main menu, and I like the icon of the GTS 3 Pro here. Okay, it looks more professional compared to the P81. So we also have support for push notifications, alarm. Let's see with the workout or the sports function. So we have here the sports function, exercise, workout. We have walking, running, hiking. Both have a very comprehensive list of sports function. Oh, seems like we have a limit for our, okay, we can't remember it anymore, but seems like we do have a limit for the sports function here. It says multi-mode sports, but we only have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We only have 8 sports function. While for the P81, we do have a very comprehensive list of sports function, and we have different categories here. Okay, so I think the P81 is much better when it comes to sports function. I'm just not sure about the accuracy. For the data it tracks, let's see. Start. As you can see here, both monitor the time, beats per minute, steps, calories, distance, okay, and a heart rate. Okay, we have a heart rate here. Yes, we also have a heart rate. Okay, and okay. So in terms of the features, the GTS 3 Pro do have a very good features also, and professionally designed UI, but it is short when it comes to the list of sports function. For the P81, it has a lot of sports function, as you can see here. Let's go back to the sports function again. I don't know if you can add again, or can add additional sports function with the support app for the GTS 3 Pro. Okay, we'll check it again. Okay, I can't remember it anymore. But here, okay, based on the smartwatch here, it's a win here for the P81 when it comes to sports function. But when it comes to the screen display, it goes for the GTS 3 Pro, including the design of the smartwatch. Okay, it looks much premium and it looks much beautiful, more beautiful compared to our P81. But of course, the P81 do have its own pros also, just like the sports function and the health monitoring. Again, if you have any questions regarding the P81 compared with our Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.